Hello, dear students. Thank you for joining me. Are you ready to take off in the journey of learning? Let's get started. Today we are going to be learning the vowel team. The most amazing vowels E and A together make three different sounds. They make long E sound, short E sound and long A sound. E, A. For example, bead, beat, team, team, heel, heel. With short E sound, bread, bread, sweat, sweat, health. And with long A, ache, break, ache, steak, ate, great. I hope this video cleared your concept. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe it. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.